It's been this dream burns inside of me, and I can't just let it go. There's still so much that I don't know. I keep my eyes wide open. Yes, this ground unbroken.
Hi guys. Sorry. Today we're going to talk about being sick. I promised that I was going to, in my New York City Adventure vlog number 6, the iCard will show the vlog picture. The baby, my cousin Mel. She's a cousin that my mom and her, they have the same birthday. They have so much things in common. They basically have the same birthday, which is in July. And they have 3 kids. My mom has 3 kids. Cousin Mel has 3 kids. Okay. And they're both Leo, I think. And they both have so many similarities that I decided I want to talk about being sick and in regards to baby being sick, and to tell you basically something about myself, a little bit about myself that I'm really scared to talk about. But I decided why not? I'm gonna talk about it because when I was there, I'm not trying to be rude or evil or malicious or anything, but when I was there, I left a day early because I got scared, and getting scared has to do something about me personally. I had the experience of being sick, and that's why I couldn't stay there, because I was getting uncomfortable with sickness. I don't like being around people that are sick, and that might sound evil to you or really, but because of my experience as a child with sickness, I decided that, or as an adult too, because way back up to when I was like 22, 23, as an adult as well, that I don't really like being around sick, or I like positive energy. And my blog was basically about showing you all the adventure and meeting my family and all the positivity that was happening. Until that happened, I realized, okay, I really need to go, and so I left a day early. Okay, so back to the similarities with my cousin Mel and my mom. Okay, so cousin Mel has 3 kids, as I said, and cousin Mel is epileptic like me, right? She has seizures or a shake or fits or whatever you want to call it, and I have that too. Well, I don't know if I can say I used to have it, because I haven't had any seizure or any shake experiences for a while. Minus that I do have panic attacks sometimes, and I have like anxiety issues. Basically, I would not be on my own. So that's why one reason I don't like being on my own at all. I like family. I like being around family. I like, just in case anything happens, I can know somebody's there to help me out. I like that experience. I like being around my mom and my dad. Alright, so I'm sorry. It's kind of weird for me talking about it, so I might be looking all over the place trying to not focus on the camera. But anyway, so yeah, and I did my makeup. I think a good distraction, so I can look at myself, so I won't get so scared talking about this, because I'm very scared talking about it right now. Yeah, being sick, I realized, or having seizures or stuff like that. First of all, I didn't know, like, the baby, she's so young, and she's basically having that experience kind of scared me a bit, because when I was younger, my mom, like, seen her cry when we were in New York, and it kind of reminded me when I was younger, and my mom, like, so she was crying and praying and praying and praying and crying and all that, and it's just a scary experience. And she had to go through that experience when she was over in New York, so basically enjoying herself. That was a bit scary for me too, when she told me. And as I said, I wasn't there when it happened. I was basically in New Jersey when it happened. So when she's telling me about it, I was really glad I wasn't there, because one, I would, she knows me, I'll be panic attack. I don't know how to deal with it. When I was sick, I didn't know how to deal with it. I was more angry at everybody. I was more angry and like wondering, why am I the sick one? As you guys know, I'm a twin, so I'm just at that time I thought I was a sick twin. I felt broken. Even sometimes when I think about being sick, I feel, God, I'm the broken one, or the broken one, or something like that. So at the time when it happened, I was like, oh God, I wasn't there. there, but I said I was worried about cousin Mel baby, and because me being worried the whole time when I was there, like a day I was like, I can't stay here anymore. I want to go home, and I packed my bag before the day that I left, and so that's why I left a day early because I was feeling uncomfortable. All right, I know what to say. All right, so when I was younger, being sick, I realized people treat you different, or some people might treat you good, some people treat you bad. My experience wasn't good, it was really bad, because when I was going to, what you call it, elementary school, primary school, baby school, whatever, when I was going to that school, I was picked on, people picked on me because I was sick. I was called demons in me, sicky, some weird name, shakes, don't beat upon me, one more weird, and this doesn't come from like kids alone. It came from teachers who at the time, I say 90s teachers, they're the worst. I grew up in the 90s, I went to school in the 90s, early 2000s, whatever. Anyway, late 2002 because high school, late 2000, college, stuff like that. Anyway, besides that, I grew up in the 90s. And I think 90s teachers, they are dumb. I said all teachers are dumb because I had some good teachers when I went to high school. Yeah, but 90s teachers, they're in baby school days, elementary school, primary school, whatever you want to call it, they are stupid. Yeah. I was picked on because I was sick, and it's weird seeing that because they didn't set good example for the, what should I say, the students at school. There's a teacher that I remember, I call her Miss, well, I know her name, but I'm calling her Miss B. But those who know me know who I'm talking about. So Miss B, she was like the evilest teacher I know. And she used to pick on me and my sister for no reason at all. She would go out of her way just to pick on us. And I'm gonna tell you about an experience that I remember one time being sick. For some reason I think she was evil. I think she did it purposely. I didn't think, okay, well, she didn't know. My mom said sometimes people don't know what they're doing. No, this lady was evil right up back to, I remember as an evil lady. So I think she did it purposely. Alright. Okay, so what I kind of remember is I remember waking up to this horrible smell. Because I was sick. We were placed on the canteen. I was placed on the canteen table at the time. Or I remember it was devotion. I'm starting from the top. It was devotion time. I'm trying to remember because sometimes my memory isn't so good because of me falling down the lot and it hit my head several times. So that helps too. People being epileptic, they kind of fall in their head. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm trying to remember. So it was devotion time in primary school, and Lord, I don't remember what happened after that, but I know I felt dizzy, and then I don't know what happened after that. But what I do remember is that I woke up on the table, the lunch table, and on the lunch table, I remember smelling this horrible scent. Like when you're waking up, I smell this horrible scent. I don't know what scent it was. Anyway, so I remember that the evil teacher I'm telling you about, Miss B, she said that what? See, I like she said, I told you you have to put stinking shoes over her face to revive her. No, that's not right. You should never do that when somebody's epileptic or somebody faint, because you can give them, you can traumatize them in sense of that. That is not correct. Also, the scent is not good for them, and you can also kill a person. So what she did, I was like, and to this day I do remember, and I said I don't remember much about the day what happened. Even all of my seizure experience, I don't remember much. But I'm telling piece of piece when I wake up, I do remember. So alright, so I do remember that. And then my teacher told me that she was telling her no at the time, don't put any shoes over my collar, and she did that. I said she was a young teacher, so she probably did it purposely. Mom said no, people don't know. But yeah, to me, that's what happened. Alright, so thinking about the baby back in New York, and I'm thinking the baby has seizures and stuff like that. When I was there, I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna have maybe a good life. She's in America, she's an American child, so she's probably gonna have a good life. I am a Jamaican, so maybe Jamaican people, they know much about those stuff in the 90s, and we're not in the 90s anymore. So whatever, we're in the 2000s, so everything is different now. But I'm thinking about when I was there, I was like, she's so young to be going through this experience, and oh my god, I can't. And I never really know how to talk about it. My blog was never ever about talking about being sick at all. I was never going to talk about it, but because of my experience in there, I decided why not talk about it. Alright, so I was thinking that she will maybe have a bad experience, people picking on her and stuff like that. Because of the similarities that my mom has with cousin Mel, that's what went through my mind at the time. Yeah, and I kind of felt uncomfortable because I felt like I was reliving my life or reliving my childhood with sickness, and it was just weird. I felt weird. I don't know how to talk about it. And yeah. Yes. So that's what I wanted to talk about in regards to that. What else? Several times I do remember my twin sister trying to help out when I was sick, and sometimes I felt that I was really angry at her because she's not the sick one, and I felt like, okay, why am I always the one being sick? Always the one going through in and out of hospitals? And I used to hate that when I was younger. Being sick, going in and out of hospital, I used to hate that so much. I was like, why me all the time? And then when my sister had like boyfriends and that used to come over, I was mad at them because I felt like they were so happy, and yet I'm here sick and I am not happy. I'm not happy because I felt like I am the broken twin. I'm the one that something is wrong with. And so I wasn't happy at the time, and maybe because I wasn't happy because I was looking at I'm unhealthy or whatever, not by choice, stuff happened in life, and I was really on and off. It's not something I want to talk about, it's not something I ever really wanted to talk about. So because I feel like my life is, right now, my life is very good. I'm very blessed, thank you God. I have my mother and father with me. I've always had them with me, and I feel like I am happy at the best of my life. No, believe it or not, so I felt truly blessed. So it's not something I ever want to talk about. I just wanted to basically show you guys my life experience, basically my family vlog, show you guys my family, show you all the good things that are happening to me, show you guys like my road or journey as a struggling model. See if I'll make it or if I don't make it, doesn't matter to me, but I just want to show you guys my modeling experience, and that's why I made my vlog channel on YouTube. But I think somewhat people might, like my friends ask me, so why you always traveling with your mother and stuff like that? I said, yeah, because of my own issues and stuff like that. People who really know me, like boyfriends and stuff like that, I would tell them, yeah, I'm sick. My family knows it. No, not I'm sick, because I'm not sick now. Knows that, okay, have went through experience of being sick, and so I'm a bit closed off with people that I put around me, people that I have to know you for 1 year, for a while, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, so have a bit of trust in you. You understand? People that I've just met that just become friends, I don't need to tell them about it, and you're like, oh, why you always traveling with your mother, or you and your mother travel, say your mother close to the dinner. But it's not even about close because I am close to my mother, but it's also because I am scared to travel on my own, because I'm worried that if something happened, who's gonna be there? People don't know me, and you know, I'm really scared because of my experience as a child. People are very evil. Sometimes they can be evil, and they're very malicious, and they do things when they don't know you, or they might not want to help you. I'm not saying everybody's like that, because everybody's not like that, but that's just me, and I'm very cautious and scared. I'm scared of everything. I think I'm mostly scared of life, and that's what my vlog was about, showing me living or feeling like I'm growing, or I'm becoming a more of a woman that I want to be. And yeah, so that's what my vlog was. My vlog channel is really about, show you my growth, and it's also to make me feel a little bit more braver, that step by step I'll be able to do things on my own, and I won't have this mindset in my head that, you know, I'm the sick one, I'm the one that's broken, or maybe something's gonna happen. I don't want to be walking around on eggshells thinking that maybe something's gonna happen, or maybe my past is gonna catch up on me. Even though when I was in New York, my past kind of catch up on me, and that's why I'm doing this right now. I'm talking about being sick, or my experience of being a sick adult, a sick child, a sick baby, or sick whatever I was. And yeah, so that's the reason why I wanted to do this.